main class. You can have any number of main classes. Sorry, how many main classes you can have for your program? Only one. Only one.
Classes we have a number of classes, but main class will be one.
Only one. You can have any number of main classes also you can have, but during execution you have to have use only one. Okay. So, but it is best to practice is for one Java program have only one main class. Okay. So which one is called main class? The class which contains the main method. So that will call as the main class. The class which contains the main method will call as the main class. What is the necessity for main method? Niveda? What is the necessity for main method? Niveda, no? Asli pratikala. After some point of time, you have to get up and you have to sit up. Average what will happen? 3:30 or 1:30, you will not be able to get up on it. Nadia? Nadia? To return the value to whom? Sahana? That means you are not listening to the Abhi class. Switch on the computer, sorry, switch on the mobile, open the Zoom class, go on with your homework. Okay, otherwise sleeping. Sleeping, watching TV, What is the necessity for main function? Main business. Next mother tongue. Telugu. ఎందుకు మెయిన్ మెథడ్ యూజ్ చేయాలి?
ఎందుకంటే
ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ?
to provide the
ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಫ್ಲೋನಾ?
Execution. We don't use the main method. We don't use the main method. You can't execute. Yeah. You can execute. Super. Jay Kumar. Execution starts from the main method. Okay. So if you don't declare the main function, just you can have a program. The program will not do any work. Okay. The execution always starts from the main method. In C and C++ also you have studied execution starts from main function. Here also the main execution starts from the main method. Okay, it's a starting entry for execution. Okay, so early the start ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. We are not given that he does not know from where to start. Okay, baby, understood? Now we will see one example program. Example program. The next one is the lab for you. Java lab. Come there. And lab also will teach you how to execute the Java programs. I taught you in the online, but I don't know how many of you understood. Try to execute the program. Okay? How to write Java program? The first step is what? Documentation section. What is documentation section? It is a collection of commands. how to give commands. If you want to give a single line command, use double slash. If you want to give more than one line of command, use slash, asterisk, and where you want to end up. So that ends end line, you put star and slash. Okay. So this is multi-line command, and this one is single line command. So the documentation section. So let me give that one. So example program. Example program. Okay, next one is what? Next to documentation section, Sagana. Package statement. Whether we are going to create package? No, we are not going to create package. So therefore package statement is not required. So next to that, import statement. Okay, import statement. So LAN package is optional. It is optional. You can import it. If you don't import, Java itself will import the package for you. Okay, so this package import java dot LAN dot start. You can import it. If you don't import, if you don't use this statement LAN package will be automatically imported into your program by Java. Okay. And next to that import statement, class declarations. Okay. So after that, one main class. Okay. So now first we are going to discuss a program with main class. So class. So class is a keyword. Okay. What do you mean keyword? Keyword or method? It reserves words or predefined words in Java. Java is going to use certain words for its functionality. Such words will call as what? Keywords. Okay. So class and then class name. So class name is an identifier. It should undergo the rules of the identifiers. Okay. So you can use capital letter or small letter, that is dependent upon you. Okay. So but the class name will not begin with the number. Okay. So the rules you have to follow. So let me give the name as demo. So what about access specifier?
Default.
We have to use it. You can use it public, or if you don't, if you are not going to use that as public, so in Java, the access specifier is what? Default access. It is somewhat similar to public, but not public. Public means that a member can be used from anywhere. From anywhere you can access that member. Okay. So default means so that particular class can be accessed only within its package. If you try to access that member from other packages, it will not be available. Okay. So that is default access. So Java supports 4 types of access specifiers: public, private, protected, and default. Okay. So the next is demo, then public, static, void, main, then string, arg. This line is very, very important, especially in Viva. During Viva, so you completed the program, execution. After that, you will ask Viva question. Explain this line. Okay. So whether public is access specifier is required for the main. So suppose if I am not given the main method is not public, what will happen?
Cannot be accessed by internet.
Because you are trying to access the main method from outside of its class. Therefore we have to specify as public only. Since main method we are going to access from outside of its class or outside of its package, the main method has to be declared as public. If we don't declare this as public, then we can't access that main method. Okay. Suppose you are not given this. Okay. So static while we here. Just you try to do that and check what will happen. I think it will throw a syntax error. If it is not throwing syntax error, so what will happen is, so you will not be able to access, you will not be able to execute. It will tell the main method is not there. So you are definitely conditionality is complete and complete. Next is static.